Map games. Make sure you follow along with your book while I'm reading so you can see the words as I'm reading them, please. Map Games by Anthony Carmendola, and its illustrations are by Elizabeth Wolf. Okay, let's start. You can use a globe to play map games. The globe is kind of a map. The map maker made it round to be a model of the world. If you could peel the globe like an orange and lay the strips flat, you would have a world map. You can learn 2 games. To play these games, you will need a large globe that spins. You can play with 1 or many friends your age. Getting to know your globe. Your globe shows land and water features. Look for the 7 continents. A continent is a large body of land. One of these continents is always frigidly cold. It is called Antarctica. Look for the 4 oceans. An ocean is a very large body of water. The Atlantic Ocean connects the continents of South America and Africa. You could sail across the ocean from one continent to another. When you know what is on your globe, you are ready to play a game. Games you can play. There are lots of games you can play with your globe. They all start the same way. Spin your globe, stop the globe with 1 finger. Look at the spot your finger is on. Let's say your finger is on Germany. This is where your game begins. You will need some books for looking up facts. Actually, you're going to use the internet. How far is home? Pretend you went on a trip to a German village. Now you want to go home. What is the distance? How far do you have to go? Look at the globe and find your home. Guess the distance between it and Germany. Then write down your guess. Next, your friend spins the globe and stops it. Take note of where his or her finger is. Your friend guesses the distance from there to home and writes it down. Now you need to know the real distance to get home from your trips. You may need help to look up these distances. In this game, you see how large the oceans and the continents are. You learn how far other parts of the world are from your home. Now, let's play a new game. What is it like there? On your spin, you landed on Germany. You and your friend asked things about Germany. Can petroleum be found beneath the ground? Petroleum is oil. Are there rivers, lakes, or mountains? What are the homes like? You each write down what you think. Then look through the pages of books about Germany. You might see that many people there like to plant flowers in boxes on their window ledges. Now your friend spins the globe and stops it. Ask about that part of the world. Then look up the facts and see who knew more. Now think of how you might change the games you just learned. See if you can make up a new game. It might be like the first 2 games, or it might be different. No matter what you do, you will learn a lot from it. Trade ideas with your friends, then get to work on your globe games. Make them fun. If you do, you will want to play map games again and again. What you're going to do is you're just going to get the globe, you're going to spin it, you're going to find a spot, and then you're going to look it up on the computer and find facts about the area that you have looked up. So you land on Germany, like they say in the book, or you land on Florida or United States or Atlantic Ocean. Then you will look up some things here. Rocks of Gibraltar. If this is in the United States of America, Georgia peaches, or in Egypt, something about the pyramids. And then share of what you've learned. you're going to look up on the computer and just Google image and Google search the area that you find on the globe. Okay?